OktoberTech?
Key takeaway for me would be the overall depth of Infineon's portfolio. It is rare to see a company with such focus on existing customers and on innovation. The overall portfolio ranging from very different verticals and reaching into the future, that's what impressed our team a lot.
There you get to know Infineon more.
Yes.
Yes.
Knowing Infineon in Europe and now knowing Infineon's location here gives us a much better understanding of how a company like Infineon can grow and how we can work with Infineon to engineer products for today and tomorrow. One of the parts, it's a very impressive show, but one of the parts we were particularly impressed is parts called for makers, Infineon for makers. The booth is located over there, where you have boards and components and a lot of information for people who want to use Infineon's products in their designs. They don't have to guess, they can just walk over and see various components, various boards they can immediately use. That was very impressive.